Good morning. Happy Wednesday. A little bit late today, but that's all right. Better late than never. Let's see what the market's got in store for us today. It's been a pretty crazy market thus far this week. We're halfway through the week. I have a lot of stuff I got to get done today, a very busy day, so we're going to make this a quick live streaming session. If I find setups, we'll take a trade. If I don't find setups, we'll chat for a minute if you guys are here to chat, and then we will be on our way. I actually forgot to pop out the YouTube chat, so look at the bubbles while I wait a second. I probably would already be done with this, but look at the bubbles. Compound's up a ton. Caspa, another 5%. Love to see it. I gotta go to YouTube, manage videos. Everything's down today for the most part. It's kind of like a meh day in the market when I was looking at CoinMarketCap a second ago. Of course, I'm not gonna be able to pop out the chat right now. Yeah, that just makes sense that I wouldn't be able to pop it out, so. Whatever. That's how this morning's been going so far. My cat literally, I'm taking a piss, my cat jumps up onto the toilet seat and I fucking piss on the cat. I'm like, this morning has just been chaos, just pure chaos. So, I think I'll just open up the YouTube and just keep the live stream playing. Just silently. Shh, 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 shh. All right, there we go. Then I got the chat pulled up, but it's going to be delayed. So if you have questions, I apologize. So right now we're looking at Compound up 13% on the day. Caspa up 5.5%. We'd love to see that. Let's go see what the portfolio is looking like. The bag holder to homeowner still chilling around 580, so nothing too spectacular. Caspa keeps trucking along though. Did the portfolio? It did not. Wait. The portfolio is rapidly approaching all-time highs, so that is very exciting. It's a high on the day right now, which means things are in a little bit of an uptrend, at least what I'm holding. So we got a bunch of USD, 31% in stable coins still. I'm still trying to limit that. I'm still trying to break that down, hopefully get that to about 10% in a pullback, right? I want 10% cash, then I'll restock a little bit. Quant, I'm gonna add to ICP here soon. Caspa is turning into too large of a position to ignore. Hello, Matic and HBAR. I want to add a little bit more Matic and some ICP, but I need to be opening new positions in small coins, in some tiny altcoins with some good potential out there. That's what my goal is to be doing. So I bought a little bit, up a very small amount. Nothing spectacular, but that's not what you're here for. You're here to have some trading sessions going on. What's good, Dream? Happy to see you here. Yo, I'm just checking investments. Nice. No worries. No worries at all. So we're having that slight pullback still on Bitcoin. Nothing too spectacular. Kind of again, 2 nothing days in a row, it looks like. What I would be looking for with this is kind of a one, right? This candlestick being 1, and then 2 where we just consolidate. I'm not really good at drawing that. A 2 where we just consolidate for a candle right at the lows though, not a big candle. We want a really small low candle. Then what I would be looking for is a 3 continuation move, probably down to about here, give or take. So today I would be looking to see if we get some major sell-off on Bitcoin for the entire market. That's a very, very minuscule setup though, so that's not like I'm banking everything on that happening. Let's go into the minute chart. People have been saying that for a minute. I think Dream, If Bitcoin doesn't pass a resistance, it's going to be hard resistance. Like, yeah, 100%. Look at fundamentally, not fundamentally, but like looking at how much time has been spent at this resistance. This is the weekly chart. So first one, we sliced straight through it, but when we came back, it formed support. It was support back here. It was support here until we broke it and then fell straight through. Now it's been resistance once, and this area has been resistance for a second time, it looks like. So absolutely, it's already been very, very difficult. It's already been a hard time getting through this $30,000 area for Bitcoin. So 100% agree with that. I got too many circles here. I need like an erase all button. Yeah, so it's genuinely been like, what is this? This area we've spent, these are weekly candles, so we've spent 133 days in this area. So it has already proven itself to be a very strong resistance level. I was gonna pull up like I should know where the tools are a little bit more. I wanted like a shaded region. That's right. Because this region, pretty much from here to here, is looking like, and honestly I would lower that even a little bit more, is looking like a very interesting area, an area that Bitcoin has been spending a ton of time chilling in. Either right above, right below, or inside. This area is just an important area to pay attention to. Now, into the Minutely. We'll remove the SMA, and we will open up the VWAP again. And we will see if there's a trend to be had. If not, I gotta get right into making shit. I have not, Dream. I was up till 2 o'clock. I was up till like 2:30 last night, but I stopped trying to work at 2 o'clock. I don't understand how people have so much free time on their hand. I am like, no, I have not. So Ethereum, no clear pattern. Bitcoin, no pattern. ADA, I don't like the pattern. I can kind of see it, but I'm not a fan of it. Matic is kind of looking like it's in a bit of an uptrend, but at the same time, it's very much just choppy sideways. I don't know that there would be enough volatility to warrant this as a trade. It could be, but you'd be looking at little 0.5% moves, so not really. Solana's pumping. Solana's doing really well, but Solana's very overextended. This is one of those times you can see clearly like something is happening to Solana, because this entire time it spent 3 standard deviations away, you know? It's above the 3rd standard deviation for Solana on the day, which is not something you normally see, and it did not have a pullback. So this is where that method would have failed, because you would have immediately entered a short, I mean, presumably here, and unless you took profits on that 0.6 swing, you'd be down a ton. H-bar's got a clean pattern. This is clearly a downward trajectory, and it's already at the setup right there, so we might enter into a short on H-bar, depending on how much of a swing we got here. Potentially looking for 1% profits on that. Okay, we might. XRP's in a little bit of a downtrend today. No pattern, no pattern, no pattern. Yeah, can't buy the Bodogos yet. What the hell's a Bodogo? I think I'm gonna enter into a short position on H-bar. Let's look at kind of a longer scan. The 1 hour, turn off the VWAP and turn on that SMA. Yeah, a little bit risky of a thing because we just bounced and it's moving up, but on the hourly, it looks like we're getting a pullback to continue this short little downtrend here. This little guy. But we're in like a longer term uptrend for H-bar, and I hold H-bar. But maybe we come back down further. Maybe we see H-bar down at 5 cents again. I would like that. I think forget what my average price is. Solana chain, EZs, NFTs. Oh, gotcha. Yeah. See, like, yeah. I don't know. I haven't been super big into the NFT game in quite some time. Just been paying more attention to, one, making content, and then two, trying to find altcoins that I think will do really well. I don't have the same conviction. The NFT game doesn't make as much sense to me as in companies or cryptocurrencies. Like that I can wrap my head around. Doesn't Blockchain Boy hate HBAR? I don't know his take on HBAR too well. He doesn't like centralized things. He doesn't like things that are similar to HBAR. I don't think he's a fan of HBAR, no. But guess what? I literally could give two shits what Blockchain Boy likes. I'm doing my own analysis. He doesn't have to like my coin in order for me to like it. I'm a fan of HBAR. I know that HBAR is a security, so I'm not ignorant to the fact that they're gonna get hit with the lawsuit eventually, but they got a beautiful board of directors. Like they're out of all of the corporate shill coins out there, HBAR is like one of the ones that I think has the easiest shot at actually being accepted. They have people guiding where this coin is gonna go, and the people are the ones who are gonna be using it, so like they're massive corporations. I think we could see a little bit of a pullback. It's red on the day. We might see an extension of this red candle. I am going to not let myself talk myself out of shorting it. It's got the good setup. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But this is what we look for. So I'm going to enter into it with a 1% take profit. And yeah. Then I gotta go though. So we won't be sitting here to see the conclusion of it all because I got so much shit to do. It's very much overwhelming, actually. HBAR USDT. I'm on BitGet right now. HBAR is on a clear uptrend on the minutely candles for BitGet, but the RSI looked a little overextended here. And that is honestly a null point. That really means nothing. I'm solely going off of the middle VWAP here, so if we have a change of direction in the market, I'll get stopped out, but I'm going to put my stop loss right above this over here, so 0.052. So probably, yeah, if we go one standard deviation above, I will get stopped out, and then the goal is to ride it to that 1% down here. So what is the risk to reward? If I enter right now, I'm risking 0.5 to make 1. So that hits it for me. I'm gonna go in with half of my position available, so $44. I got $89 in here, so I'm going in with $44.60 on a 5x. And sell short. I don't know that I'll be able to do a TikTok live today. I got I have to do a Crypto Night classroom, and I still have to put together the presentation for that. And then on top of that, it didn't go through, so hold on. There we go. I don't know that I'll do the short. I have a classroom and presentation that I have to put together. I have to edit a bunch of my content. I just have a huge list of shit that I have to do, so probably no TikTok live today. So you're getting exclusive lives here. XRP short, I closed to that. It was a very short-term thing. None of these positions that you see me open on this are ever going to be longer than a day. So Yeah, none of these are ever going to be longer than a day. When I'm entering positions on this is purely for day trading activities. So I entered the short. I believe I got like weirdly lucky with the timing on the short here. I entered it up here, I think on the second candle after we pumped up. I didn't take, I was 5x, so I should have taken profits down here, and I was watching it right here. I was going to, I didn't. I waited until, I think it was right here. So I ended up making very, very small profits on it. So I better get on that CKP. Again, I'm still, oh, fuck me. I gotta talk to Josh today too. So I'll write it down to try and remember to ask him. Okay, I wrote down my little notebook here. Ask Josh for Dream coupon. Yeah, so I had I not closed it out for a small profit there, I would have gotten stopped out. But then after I would have gotten stopped out, it would have gone down to my target price. Oh, not exactly, actually. I still probably wouldn't have hit it, but regardless. All right, I gotta go. Dream, it's been a pleasure. I hope you enjoy your day. I hope you have a fantastic hump day, a great wasted Wednesday. Go do something for yourself. Go spend an hour, 90 minutes, put your headphones on, put your binaural beats on, and edit a video. And get that shit out, Dream. Keep going. You're right there. Fucking once a week, put that video out. Let's go, Dream. We're gonna get there together. Appreciate you. I'll see you.